So over here, I'm using the desktop version of Thunderbird, and you can see that I got 2 emails right here. Let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and export the accounts to the mobile version of Thunderbird that I have. In that case, you can simply go around onto the tools menu and then go around under settings. And here you can see that export for mobile is an option. So once you go ahead over here, you can see that you can go ahead and choose the email addresses that you want to export and then click on export right here. Then you got the QR code. So now on your mobile app, what you can simply do is, let's say for example, what you can do is you can go around over here and then go to import your account settings now right here. So once you do that, you can go ahead and scan the QR code right here just like this, and it opens up your camera code right here. So you need to align it with the QR, and then you can see that on the mobile you have an option right here to go ahead and import out the settings. So now what you simply need to do is go around onto import right here just like this, and it says please sign in right here as well. So you can also go around and say later right here, and you can also import out the contacts and everything. So if I were to go around and do that, now what happens is that around in my inbox you can see the email addresses right here. So you can see the TutuTube right here, the unified inbox right here as well, and so forth. So this is what you have, as you can see, and this is how you can go ahead and import out your email. So you can go around and tap it right here and change the account as well, and this is how you can go ahead and import out your accounts directly in your mobile phone just by scanning the QR right here. So that is how you can export accounts to Thunderbird Mobile by using Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.